Hello guys! In this video, you'll learn how to consume local REST API from Salesforce. Introduction. In this video, you'll learn how to call a local REST API from Salesforce. Typically, there is no way to consume an API that resides locally within your enterprise boundary. From the Salesforce perspective, you can only consume public and internet-accessible APIs. However, with the SKYVVA Agent, we provide and enable you to use your local REST API. Prerequisite. Before learn how to call a local REST API from Salesforce, you should understand how to create integration, connection destination, adapter, message type, interface. This function we already explained in another video on our YouTube channel. Now, I want to show the local API for querying account customer 24 that I use in this video. For authentication, two methods are supported, Basic and OAuth 2.0. In this video, we use OAuth 2.0 for demonstration. Now we need to download an open API file from the local API customer 24 to use for generating a REST template. Click Generate Metadata. Then click Download Full Open API JSON to download the Open API file. Now go to the Metadata Provider tab. Before processing, we need to create a REST message type template. Now I want to show the Open API file that I received from the local API customer 24 that I show early. Here's what you see. You can get this file from your local API or from another system that you use. If you want to generate a REST message type template, you can use the Open API file to import metadata. It will automatically generate a REST template. Now start creating a message type. After creating the metadata provider and repository, click on Import Metadata. For the file type, select the Open API 3.x option to upload the Open API file. Click the Next button. Now upload the Open API file. Click on Upload File. Select your Open API file and click Open. After the file is uploaded successfully, click Next. Select the name of the REST template and click Save to finish creating the message type REST template. Now your message type REST template has been created successfully. You can see that it includes both the request node and the response node. In the request node, we have the header, body, and account nodes. In the response node, we have the header, body, and the root node. After successfully creating the message type REST template, we need to set up the request and response interfaces for processing. Navigate to the Interface tab. If you want to learn how to create an interface, please check out another video on our YouTube channel. Now click the New Interface button to create the request interface. Enter your request interface name. Choose Account. Select the deploy status. For the operation type, choose Upsert. For the direction, choose Outbound. For the interface API version, choose v3. Select your metadata provider. Select your repository. For the source target message type, choose the name of the REST template. It will automatically select the request node for the outbound interface. Then click the Save button. Now we need to do the mapping. Go to the Interface Details page. Click on Open Mapping to start the mapping. Here's the structure of the REST template on the Mapping tool page. We need to map the account node from the source side to the account node on the target side. Then map the fields one by one. For example, billing city to billing city, billing country to billing country, account number to account number, and name to name. After completing the mapping, click Save. After finishing the request interface design, we need to create the response interface. If you don't need a response from the local API, you don't need to create a response interface. However, in this case, I need a response from the local customer 24. So we will now start creating the response interface. Click the New Interface button to create the response interface. Enter your response interface name. Choose Account. Select the deploy status. For the operation type, choose Upsert. For the direction, choose Inbound. For the interface API version, choose v3. Select your metadata provider. Select your repository. For the source target message type, choose the name of the REST template. It will automatically select the response node for the inbound interface. Then click the Save button. Now we need to do the mapping for the response interface. Click on Open Mapping. You can see the source side, which is the REST message type template, and the target side, which is the subject. Now we need to map node to node. Map the root node on the source side to the account node on the target side. Then map the fields one by one. And then define the external key, and click Save. After designing both the request interface and the response interface, we need to link them to each other. Go to the request interface details. Scroll down to the inbound/outbound setup section. Click the edit icon for the response interface. Select your response interface to link it with the request interface. Then click Save. Now go to the response interface details. Scroll down to the inbound/outbound setup section. Click the edit icon for the request interface. Select your request interface to link it with the response interface. Then click Save. Now we have finished designing both the request and response interfaces, and linking them to each other. Next, we need to start the processing. But before processing, we need to create an agent REST adapter. Go to the Adapter tab. Click the New button to create a new adapter. Enter your adapter name, e.g., Agent REST. For the type, choose Agent REST. The Agent REST adapter works similarly to our existing REST adapter, but with a key difference. For REST adapter, used when your integration runs directly from the integration platform to an external REST service. It does not require a local agent. For Agent REST adapter, for REST services inside a local network, requiring a local agent to communicate. For direction, choose outbound. For the authentication type, several options are supported, including basic, OAuth 2.0, API key, JWT, and certificate. You can choose the type based on your needs and what your API system supports. In this video, I will show the OAuth 2.0 authentication type. Select OAuth 2.0. For OAuth 2.0 flow, select on Client Credential. Enter the client ID and client secret that we get from the local API customer 24. For operation, use post. Enter the token endpoint URL. For API service endpoint URL, obtained from the local API. For the request format, we support both XML and JSON formats. In this case, I will use JSON. For the response format, I will also use JSON. The last requirement is to set the connection destination. I am using an existing agent connection. If you don't have one, please create it now. If you want to learn how to create an agent connection, please check out another video on the SKYVVA YouTube channel. After completing all the required fields in the adapter, click Ping Connection. After the connection ping is successful, click the Save button. Now, we need to link the Agent REST adapter to the request interface before processing. Go to the request interface details. Scroll down to the Outbound Setup section. Click the Edit icon for the outbound adapter. Select the Agent REST adapter that we created earlier. Click Save. After setting up the interface and linking it to the Agent REST adapter, we need to start the processing. Navigate to the Agent Control Board tab. For the outbound interface, it can be executed using the Interface Processing button, a scheduler, an Apex trigger, a Salesforce flow, or any Apex code such as synchronous or asynchronous Apex, depending on what the user wants. However, in this video, I demonstrate the processing manually using the Interface Processing button. Select your interface and click the Interface Processing button to start the processing. Click Send to process manually. After the interface executes successfully, the process will complete. The Agent REST adapter will call out from Salesforce to the local API customer 24 and return the response data back to Salesforce. Now, go to check the message. Click on Message Monitor. Click on the Apply filter. Here you can see that one complete message has been created. The API request message shows that the request was successfully sent from Salesforce to the local API customer 24. You can also see the API response message, which shows that 5 records were successfully returned from the local API customer 24 to Salesforce. Now I want to show the records on the Salesforce side. Here you can see that 5 records have been created. Summary. This video demonstrates how to call a local REST API from Salesforce. It covers creation of a message type REST template using OpenAPI file, design request interface and response interface, mapping, configuration of the agent REST adapter including authentication and request response formats. The video also shows how to manually process the interface via the agent control board and verify that records were successfully created in Salesforce, providing a complete end-to-end integration example. Thanks for visiting our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.